When a child is growing up, they grow up so differently from the other children around us. Each child has its own interest, own ways of learning. There are many things which interest them and there are many which don't. So when it comes to learning, why should learning be the same for all the children? At iPrep, this is why in our FLN content, which is designed for meeting the goals of foundational literacy and numeracy, we bring together different types of digital learning content. Animated videos for those who like to watch and learn, books for those who like reading, image-based questions to spark curiosity, audiobooks for those who learn best by listening, and puzzles and activities to make learning fun and interactive. This is because when the learning is multidimensional, it is more enjoyable, more engaging, and most importantly, more effective.